Digging tunnels doesn't count.
Well, in any case, you've done a great job. Oh, the Games Fair is on its way. There, another super game for our collection. Ooh. Oh, ooh.
Sorry, I forgot to tie the knot again.
Today was the day. Today was the day. When Peppa Pig and friends came to play. Today was the day. Today was the day. When Peppa Pig and friends came to play.
Go to sleep right now. It's my supermarket.
The ice cream stall and the bus to drive. See you later then, sister. Bye,
Today was the day. Today was the day. When Peppa Pig and friends came to play. Today was the day. Today was the day. When Peppa Pig and friends came to play.
Right, get ready, we're setting off.